Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a visualization from a piece of text or a document using this AI tool called Fluig AI. So this tool is quite similar when it comes to capability to Napkin AI because this tool, Napkin AI, is also able to create some nice visualization from a piece of text or document, but Fluig is mostly for a more formal document, so you can create a flowchart diagram that you could insert into a document, while Napkin is mostly for a presentation. That's why the design, at least in my opinion, looks a bit prettier. But if you want to use Fluig AI, you can navigate to fluig.cc and then create a free account. This is one flowchart that I created from piece of text, which is this, basically just a customer journey on a shopping website, and this is the flowchart that it generated. Now to create a new file, a new flowchart or a new diagram, basically just click here and then click on this button and then select new file. And for this demonstration, I'll try to convert this comparison paragraph, basically comparing Cloud for Sonnet versus GPT 4.1, and I want to create maybe some sort of table that is a lot easier to consume. Now I'm going to just click on this button and I'm going to select the file that I'm going to turn into a diagram or chart. And after that, I will tell AI that I want to have a comparison table. And by the way, it is quite possible to select the kind of design that you want to get, but in this case I'll select Smart Generation to let AI decide what is the best design or the best format for this document. And after that, click on this submit button and let AI to convert that information into some visualization. And by the way, there is something here that I think is definitely worth mentioning about Fluig AI. I think this tool has this memory problem. Now I'm going to show you the task manager, and as you can see, Fluig consuming 1.2, 1.3 gigabytes of RAM or memory on my computer just by existing, and sometimes it reached to almost 2 gigabytes. And if you compare it to other pages, which is sitting around 200, 300, maybe even 400 megabytes, but Fluig consumes way higher than anything else. So I think there is some problem with this website, and I hope that this problem will be solved very, very quickly, because I kept crashing my browser when I'm trying to record this video, but hopefully this one doesn't crash. Anyway, this is the result, and yeah, it is some simple diagram. Not pretty if I compare it to, let's say, Napkin AI, but definitely something that I could use on a document. And of course, you can also change a few settings like the color, the style, the other settings, and the setting or the style will be different based on the diagram or based on the visualization that was created. Sorry about that. All right, and after that, if you want to get this, you can click on this button and then you can download or export the file as a PDF, image, or the FG format. So I guess that's basically it. Maybe the only problem that I have about this tool is the memory leak problem, where it's consuming more than 1 gigabyte every single time. But I'm hoping that this will be solved very, very soon. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. I'll cover more AI tutorials in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.